Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Cadillac ATS. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. The following features are included: leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, an outside temperature display, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.